Where are we going? We're going salty.
Oh my god.
I mean, why are you asking me questions if you know what the answers are, Michael?
Because I was giving you the benefit of the doubt. Then you said the thing, and now I'm just blown away.
I'm gonna give you the benefit of my decision right here. That's what I'm gonna do.
Like, no more.
No.
No more asking you.
Yeah, that was your one and only chance.
No, it's gonna be a W. If we win this round, I'm going salty
Oh
every
my
time.
god.
Every time.
I don't even know how to land here. I effed it up already. Oh, there's a guy pickaxing next to me.
Well,
Knocked one.
now we're all here.
Putting on big pop.
Yeah, we got a bunch of down people around me. I'm down with like 3 other down people. We're all just stumbling around. Michael, help! Please, he's gonna kill me. See, now that
Was that
now
good
that
enough?
is-
Was that
that's-
acceptable?
that's a hero effort right there. That's what I. And I have 1 kill now, Michael. Thank you.
Well, why I'm
probably
I got
carrying
8
him.
people on me.
Yeah, we need to find Justin. I'll start swinging on this fool.
Get the fuck out of here.
I killed
Oh
him.
my god, I
killed
saw
him.
that. That has been recorded in history. You said I'm gonna start swinging on this fool, and you just won him.
Oh, I 28 him. He's got 28 in the head. Get him. Nice, boys.
I just won.
There's a lot more though.
It's all right. I'm down. Someone help.
I'm looking for this chest I hear.
I can't use my legs.
I just took out all salty.
See, Michael?
Hey, I need ammo.
Here's shotgun there.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
We all
footsteps.
Oh, what's up? What's up? I have no match at all. This is bad.
He's above.
He's right on me. Hurt.
Ooh, he's right above me. Oh, he got me. He's right there.
He's one shot. He's one shot. Down here. Got him. Ooh, that was slick as shit, dude. 20 kills somehow.
Gotta find people to kill if you want to get kills.
Oh, footsteps behind me.
Yeah, here. Up top. Up top. Maybe not. Banana. Banana. Right there. You got 2 inside.
Knocked 2 of them. Third one.
I got him. He's down. There's still a banana on the loose though.
Nope.
Oh no, he's right there.
Where's them?
I rocketed them.
Jesus, boys.
Good job, guys.
Good.
I didn't do anything that time.
I got 1 kill out of that.
Ooh, glider.
Oh, someone dropping right on me.
Oh, crap.
Oh no.
Trying to get outside.
Climbing up. We're climbing up.
Sorry.
They're building a
You ready?
tower on us.
I missed that rocket total.
I am 30. We're dropping down. Dropping down again. Just keep shooting his builds down.
Trying to.
I'll get a high counter and laser.
Where's he at? Oh, he's up here
Ooh,
now.
Sniper's coming.
I hit him 30. He's dropping right now. He's gonna fall.
Drop him down real quick.
Hit him 30 again. 30. He has no shield. He's really hurt. He's trying to shield up right now. Sorry, don't shield.
I'm inside. I'm inside. Where's he at?
There you go. We got him.
Nice. Someone got him.
I got him with the fall. Oh,
Oh, shit, right here.
yeah, right here. He's really hurt. I hit him for 100.
Oh, 58.
He's on steel. He has no mats.
Yeah.
He's running. Yeah, he's running really low, dude.
Oh, he's down here. I'm gonna waste all my ammo. I have like no ammo. Sucks.
They're there. Right there. They're gonna die to storm, dude. They have no mats. They can't even build up.
There's a sniper down here, though. Watch out.
I got him. Down him. Down one.
You down him?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna go after
150?
him.
Ooh.
I'm
This
going
guy
after him.
left.
I'm going after him.
Yeah, go after him. I think he's over there now. Yeah, go get him.
Oh, you really went after him, huh?
Trying to get the support. He's behind it. Huh?
There. No, he's down there.
Can't see him very well, unfortunately. Nice.
That
Yeah.
wasn't him. No, there's more.
Really?
Yep.
Oh, that was the guy that I.
Still on me. He hold up. Okay, good up.
Over there. Okay.
Alright.
Storm?
Yeah, I'm getting out here. I think he's building right here. He's building up right here. Let's laser him. Ah, freak! I ran out of mats too. Yeah.
2 of them? Shield.
I heard him. 17 shield. Just keep following him. He's really hurting right now. I hit him again. Shield.
He's got a bandage gun.
There's a guy on me too. Up top, on the top of the. I hit him. I lasered him. He's got no health. He's in that building up top.
Oh, I just can't.
There's people shooting from behind, I think.
Just keep pressure on them. They're so low. I knocked one from the storm.
Yeah.
There's one more in the back.
Trying to get a siding wall. I got him. Got a siding wall.
Yeah, we eliminated him. Alright, nice.
Nice job, guys. 5 kills for me.
Jesus.
How much kills we got, boys?
Here. I got minis for you guys.
That's the roof of their building, huh?
Yep. Getting right on it.
Get it.
Build a 1x1 up here.
Oh, I saw him.
Yep. Still there, too.
As long as we're at the high ground, we'll get this one for sure.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna rain down some C4 real quick. Oh, I got him. 70. He's right here. Yep, in that building. Right. He's so low. And he's on steel already. He's right there in the open.
I'm taking the guy on the left. I'm focused on him.
Is it just one? See them all down there?
He's gotta be at his homies. I think his homies are just scared. They're on metal, so they're really low on mounts.
Yeah. Oh, I have to reload. No way.
Right here. He's right here. He's inside that little crevice. Right in that, yeah, right there.
30 shield knock. Oh, another one to the
Oh, they're all
right.
coming out. I hit him 30. He has no
Oh,
shield.
he built the rocket head on.
He's got no shield. I'm lasering him from the top. Just keep him distracted.
They have rockets in there. Going for the res.
That one.
Oh,
Just
no.
keep lasering. We got this.
I have 31.
I only have 94 AR and 82 sub.
I only have 200 pistol ammo. That's it. Some shotgun bullets.
We have ring advantage, dude. Nice. He's behind the metal wall.
Ooh,
I'm down.
one died.
I downed him. I killed him for a minute.
There it
Nice.
is. Woo!
There's the shot.
How many kills we get?
How many kills?
That's the question.
How many,
Is that the question? I mean, a win's a win.
True.
So
It says I got
5
7.
elimination. I got 5.
7? Nice. I got 8.
Nice. Hey, Michael.
That does it.
What?
So, do you remember where we landed first?
No, I don't.
And I'm not playing any more games. Either put me on the charts or I'll put you up in flames. Better recognize art, cause I don't forget names. Should've seen me from the start, coming at you like a train. Think I'm about to fall apart every single fucking day. Seeing all these damn stars with my well-deserved fame. And I spit these gold bars while they spitting out shit.